The time that you feel like liu ndingihota gwika undu fulani, ndingihota ndiri na kina na ndingihota gwika undu fulani, na ndingihota gwika undu fulani, ndoka gukuririkania ngwire atiriri tuwe wikaga na ti mbeca ciaku ciikaga na ti hinya waku wikaga. Surrender to the power that is able to do even when finances are not there. Surrender kuri hinya ucio ungihota gwika undu ucio urenda muthikiriria wakwa wa kigoco. Surrender to that power this month. Let it be a month of surrender. Netondu Ngai ni atwirira gutu guide. Ngai ni atwirira guidance. No Ngai ndage guide mundu tari obedient. Ngai ndage guide mundu renyitia. Ngai ndage guide mundu tara surrender. Niki netondu if arakwira roro uri na urenda guikara hau ri surely itawezekana namna gani? Ndugitikire guikara uge atiriri nima I accept ni ndetikira I am small in any area of your life that you feel that you're small. Menya ati ti hinya waku, it is not your own strength that is supposed to operate. Surrender to that strength. Iriafatie cooperate undu ucio wikike kugia na end result jega na cia Ngai. Surrender to that power. Ati hinya uyu heaga kahi karuru ohotani kwe mundu wina experience, kwe mundu munene ti maundu manene matumaga mundu akinyanire. Ngai no akinyanagiria mundu. Surrender to this power ya kunyita thamaki igiri andu no ti andu reke tumete arume 5,000 makahona. I believe those people are more tondu kuga ni arume ni gwakire na ciana na atumia matiatarirwo. Surrender to that power today. Mweri uyu reke okorwo mweri wa kuga I surrender it all to you God. To that power ingituma ati kamwana kanini ta Daudi kahote Goliathu. I surrender to that power because that power sio mchezo, ni mbaya. Iyo power sio mchezo. It will make you achieve things that you never thought you can achieve. Hey, ogo die ikero otare weciria no ukira gwiciria Daudi karero uru gatieciragia ningathamakira Israeli, gatieciragia ningatongoria, because maybe he felt small. Are you feeling small today? Are you feeling small today? Then ohoro ni waku. That small business, do you feel that your business is small? Netondu we nduri na branches iria onaga andu angi mena cio, wina ka branch kamwe urayona wi munini na kaundu gothe ka muturire waku. Na wao niho Ngai endaga muno, na akiahenda muno ri akenda ngoro njathiki, akenda ngoro enyihaga, akenda ngoro ya surrender, ngoro obedient. That is the heart that God is looking for. It doesn't matter. You know, sometimes nigetha ukinyanire ri Ngai ndarabatara maundu maingi, arabatara o mwitikie, usarenda kuri we, utuike obedient, witikire gwathika. Witikire gwathika nigetha muhote guthie thabari. But sometimes ukiona anakuambia hivi na wewe unasema hivi na wewe unataka hivi na yeye Mungu anataka hivi, of course no kuligia na disagreement. Na kwa gukora amwe ao neto amwe aitu katika kwiruta ho neto aga gukinyanira na gukinyaniria. He nginya mangikorwo makiuga niona kau kanini ndire. Ona hau hatari Ngai ni arehaga hakagia. Ona hau hatari Ngai ni atumaga hagie. Because he is God. Kwenda kwali uhoro wa mutumia uria wari wa ndigwa wa itira ria Zarefath. Ino ifuku ria athamaki. God is faithful. And this month, he is calling us to be obedient, to surrender, and to trust him. Because kaukanini, he's going to provide. It is small, he's still going to provide. Unataka school fees ya 200,000 na wewe una earn ama hata hau earn. God is going to make a way. Itaturari uhoro wa divine ideas. Musa akinya hara iria-ini itune, Ngai akimwira ria gwika. Daudi akihuthira kahiga gakinina mundu wari munene tikia Ngai tigana na thina ke tucokie ngatho